Here at the Fuse Chainsaw Awards. So many of them here tonight. All right, back to you guys.
All right, we get all the horror stars coming out. One of our favorite bands here at Fuse, we got Slipknot. Welcome, gentlemen, to the Chainsaw Awards.
Thank you, thank you.
Now, I am told that there's a DVD coming out.
Yeah, December 5th.
December 5th, yes. December 5th. It's going to be like a full-on documentary performance style. What's in it?
It's basically like a documentary of the last 2 years making our last record, the whole road, a bunch of backstage clips, pretty much a lot of stuff that the fans haven't been able to see, you know, from like our other DVDs and stuff like that. And we also have like 9 live songs and interviews with the whole band, so it's really in-depth inside the world of Slipknot.
That's cool. What's it going to be called?
It's called Voluminal Inside the Nine.
All right, Slipknot, thank you guys so much. Jody.
We've got Jonathan Davis from Korn here right now, walking on the black carpet.
Most thrilling killing are the members of Slipknot and the one and only Leatherface.
Thank you so much. I thought we were, presenting an award with Leatherface.
Yeah, I don't know. Where is Leatherface? I didn't see him.
Oh.
Guys, I'm right here. I'm Andrew Bernarski. I play Leatherface.
I don't mean to be a douche, dude, but I don't see any leather on your face.
I'm not gonna wear the mask like everywhere I go. It would just... That would be weird, dude. And ridiculous. Tonight, the nominees for the most thrilling killing in the first Fuse Fangoria Chainsaw Awards are...
Most thrilling killing. Snakes on a plane.
That's my big boy. Bitch, get off my...
Saw 2. Hostel.
What do you want me to do, man?
Final Destination 3.
Hold on, man, hold on! There's no one in that truck!
Leatherface, 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 Leatherface.
Archive for Fuse and Fangoria TV.
And the winner for the most thrilling killing is Saw 2.
I want to thank Lionsgate.
In the spirit of house party up in her. Show your love for Chingy. Yeah. Me back. Need you in my life. Yeah. Yo, telling me that things gonna be alright. Leave. Pulling me back. I need you in my life. Hey, it was meant to be. Yo, look. Hey, it was all good at first. Spending money, going shopping, eating at the finest restaurant. If I'm club hopping, she was right there with me, bottle popping, living her life. She just didn't understand my lifestyle, and that I ain't like. You ain't have a worry in the world. Got your diamonds, got your pearls. Can't help it if Ching-a-ling, he attracting all the girls. Baby, I'm a superstar, and that comes with it. Got a good brother on your side, you better run with it. Even though I'm on the road doing shows, I made time for me and her relationship to grow. They say they don't trust a woman in this industry, but she not any woman, more like a sacred friend to me. Plus when I'm out of town, always think of her. Might conversate with some chicks, but no one come above her. Oh, I thought I was your man, yes you ain't understand. And now I'm sitting here looking crazy like damn. Every time I leave, pulling me back, I need you in my life, yeah. Go, telling me that things gon' be alright. Leave, pulling me back, I need you in my life. Hey, it was meant to be. Oh, yeah, Ching-a-ling, hood star. Hey, y'all already know. And if you're a bad chick, get on the floor and bounce. If you a bad chick, get on the floor and bounce. Hey, Ching-a-ling, talk to a man. Prada, Gucci, tell me what you like. Coach bag with the shoes to match, forget the price. Sweet Mark Jacobs shades, 50 carats all ice. Model when them jeans for me, luxury, now that's your life. That's the type of I'm on, let me see you get them on. Back it up a bit, yeah, that's it, cause I can see you on. Cornmeal skin tone, damn, you look like me alone. Don't be acting like that little mama, cause I can leave you alone. Extra line with the Patron, that's what we drinking on. She wanna go out to eat, but me, OG, I'm thinking home. Just so I can see him on, what the hell we both wrong. Wearing them things like that, make me take sisters to the wrong. Hey now, hey now, you know they think from the STF to the A now. Yeah, hey now. Hey now, let me help you with them jeans, baby, lay down. Just damn, girl, how you get all of that? And them jeans, how you get all of that? And them damn, girl, how you get all of that?
Is you talking to me?
Yeah, you. I bet you had to jump up and down just to put them on. Bet you had to wiggle it around just to get them on. Bet you had to lay back on the bed just to zip them up. Am I right? You right, baby, that's what's up.
Coming up.
Well, this next award is called the Prince of Darkness Award. It's Prince of Darkness Award. It's presented to the singer of a band who would best be described as out of what?
Dark. Evil. Insane. I don't know, kind of like you.
So what you're saying is they're best be described as scary, evil, and cool, kind of like Dracula meets the Fonz.
Exactamundo.
Perfect, thank you, Tuscadero.
Prince of Darkness. Davey Havoc, AFI. Jared Leto, 30 Seconds to Mars. Vile Bello, Him. M Shadows, Avenged Sevenfold. Gerard Way, My Chemical Romance.
And the winner is... Pull the tongue.
Jared Leto.
Thank you. First and foremost, I want to thank Fuse. To Fuse. Yeah. They made a decision early on to believe in 30 Seconds to Mars, and we will never forget that. They chose to believe in us in a time when many people didn't believe in us, and for that will always be grateful. So thank you guys so much. Appreciate it.
And now, recording artist Cassandra Ford.
I tried to get Jimmy Fallon, but he was so expensive. Ain't that a bitch?
Please welcome punk princess Avril Lavigne and Korn frontman and star of St. John Smith, Jonathan Davis.
What's up?
All right. Bands often create videos that reflect memorable images, seared onto our brains by horror movies.
But the winning band tonight decided to use one of the scariest films of all time as their inspiration, The Shining.
Here to perform their song, The Kill, and the winner, a video inspired by film. Give it up for 30 Seconds to Mars!
This place is gonna be unbelievable. We got 3 days, all to ourselves. There's not gonna be a single human soul here. So we can take a little time off, relax, get lost.
Wrote us a note. Enjoy your stay, and please stay out of room 6277.
That was creepy.
Anyway, have a good night. We'll see you guys in a little bit.
What if I fell Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. We have to thank all the people that voted for us and helped us win the most inspired video from the film as well. We will see you soon. Appreciate it.
Killer Video. The Raconteurs.
Award goes to.
And the winner is the Red Hot Chili Peppers!
I feel naked up here without my band. Yeah, we did this video because we wanted to pay respect to all of the music that had come before us. And that's who I'd like to dedicate this to. Because without that, I would never be here. I love my band. I love playing music. Thank you for honoring us. God bless.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Get a Volkswagen and receive a custom First Act guitar. Plug into the stereo and rock just like Slash. If you're Slash.